Earning a passive income is everyone's dream, and why not? When you can enjoy the maximum benefits with minimum effort, why spend hours going to work daily and coming back exhausted? With developing a passive income stream, you can also enjoy spending time with your family or friends without being worried about working shifts to get your monthly paychecks. In today's video, we have brought you 15 passive income ways to make you a lot of money in 2022. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Let's get started. 1. Rent out a room. Have a spare room in your house but don't know what to do with it? Why not make some money by renting it out? As many people have lost their jobs due to the pandemic, and it's quite hard to find a new one in these difficult times.
I'm just saying it would probably be better for everybody if you had the money tomorrow.
Yeah, alright, I'll see what I can do.
Renting a room can make things easier for you. You don't need to spend any extra money. All you need is to advertise it through different platforms, get a tenant, and enjoy making money. By renting a room, you can earn almost $10,000 a year without spending too much time or money. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is a very lucrative source of passive income. After putting in some initial efforts, you can build a consistent source where you will easily earn a handsome amount of money every month. So, what do you have to do? Create a blog, a YouTube channel, or a website and post affiliate links from affiliate programs of platforms like Amazon, Google AdSense, or other such sites, and you will get a share of each sale that's generated through your link. You need initial effort to get it up and running, plus a consistent content strategy to keep the traffic coming. I think that's not much to ask when you know the efforts will be worth it. You can also apply the same strategy of promoting the products from offline businesses and get a commission in return. 3. Create an online course. If you have knowledge about a specific subject, create your own course and upload it to different platforms. Besides online courses, you can also create guides and instruction manuals. In an online course, you can upload audio, video lectures, notes, small ebooks that supplement the lesson. It's all up to you and how you want to proceed. There are many websites that allow you to share your course with the audience and get money in return, but make sure you go for an authentic one. 4. Design customized t-shirts or other clothing items. If you have a knack for designing, there's a lot of companies that'll help you sell your designs online through their websites. Some of these websites may charge a minimal amount from you, but most of them are usually free. It's an easier way to sell your creative ideas because you don't have to worry about marketing or shipping. These companies will do it for you. Once people start buying your clothing items, you will receive a specific commission on every sale. The commission may not be enough to make you wealthy, but it's a completely passive income source to make some bucks. 5. Create YouTube videos. Whenever you have to learn a new recipe, understand a difficult concept of your studies, or want to hear a new song, YouTube videos come to the rescue. So instead of just watching videos, why not be the one who creates them? There is no limit about the content. You can create videos of recipes, fun facts, DIY ideas, gardening, sewing, or anything you think you're best at. Once you set up your channel, you can get it monetized and start making money from your already posted and new videos. But be sure to post regularly to rank your content. You have to make an effort in creating videos, but once you're done with the creation process, it becomes completely passive and you don't need to put in much effort. 6. Create a blog. If you're a camera-shy person and don't want to shoot videos, but want a source of income, creating a blog is a great option for you. You don't need to write content by yourself. Instead, you can hire writers to write consistent blog posts for you. You have to pay a little amount for your hosting sites, but it's nothing against the money you'll earn after setting up your blog. Blogs also act as your assets because if you don't feel like posting content anymore, you can sell it as well. 7. Sell an ebook. Another valuable option for writers is to sell ebooks. You don't need any money, but you need a lot of effort in writing innovative and quality content so people would love to read it. You can write a book about anything that interests you, or you have knowledge about, and sell it on platforms like Amazon or Kindle. Apart from writing, you'll also need a marketing strategy to let more people know about your work, After that, you don't have to do anything. Just sit back and see the money coming in with every sale. 8. Sell stock images. Everyone with smartphones loves to take pictures, so why not put them up to sale and make some extra money? You can start selling your photos as stock photos, which means you upload your pictures on stock photos platforms, and every time a person downloads or buys them, you'll get a share.
Hello, I like money.
There are several websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock that offer the opportunity to showcase your work and put it up for sale. If you have the skills and resources to take mesmerizing photos, go for this option and start making money for your amazing work. 9. Become a social media influencer. Do you love posting on your Facebook or Instagram? What if I tell you you can also make money for just posting the content? Yeah, it's true. You can be a social media influencer and start promoting different products. You need to get more and more followers, so companies will like to pay more because they would know you're the right person that can increase the reach of their products. You can create sponsored posts or share affiliate links and get a commission in return. 10. Advertise with your car. If you own a car, you can earn money by just putting up a marketing poster or advertisement on it. You can easily earn up to $1,000 for a campaign, but charges may vary with each company. Some of these companies pay on the basis of how much you drive or what your location is. Choose the package that suits you the most and go for it. 11. Dropshipping. Dropshipping means shipping the products from the manufacturer or dealer to the customers. You don't need to hold the product in your hand. You can act as a bridge between buyers and sellers and make a commission from it. You buy products at a discount from your regular wholesaler, and then you can sell them at the price you want. The more you charge, the more you'll make. But make sure to keep it competitive on the market so you don't lose customers. 12. Real estate investing. Real estate is tried and tested method to earn good money. Owning your house is also a real estate investment, but that's not the only way to do it. You can also try other options like flipping houses. It means you buy a property at a low price, renovate it, and sell it at much higher rates. You can also rent the house on a monthly basis and get a fixed income every month. You can also work as a dealer, connect buyers with sellers, and make money for finalizing the deal between two parties. It is much easier because you don't have to worry about sorting out the problems of your tenants or finding a client for your house flipping business. 13. Become a business partner. If you have initial money which you would like to invest, you can be a business partner in already running businesses. Search for successful businesses that need capital for expansion. Step in as a rescuer and provide that needed capital. But rather than offering it as a loan to them, take an equity position in the business. In this way, business owners will handle their day-to-day tasks, and you will be a silent partner to get profits. 14. Create an app. Whether you want to create your photo albums or order food from a restaurant, there's an app available to make things easier for people. Millions of apps are downloaded each day because they make our lives easier. Take benefit of the situation and create your own app. The most important thing in creating an app is to come up with an innovative idea that people would love to try. Thinking about this but don't know the code? You can always learn or just hire a developer to create the app based on your idea. It may be a little bit expensive, but you'll get a professional looking app. 15. Royalties. Royalties are a payment you get for your intellectual property. If you're good at creating unique designs, writing beautiful poems, songs, stories, or artwork, you can get money from anyone who uses your work. If you aim to publish your creative ideas, you can get a specific commission on each sale that your publishers make. Obviously, you need to put in a lot of work at first, but it can quickly turn into a great passive income source for you. So guys, which of these ideas would you like to try? Share with us in the comments section below, and stay tuned for more amazing videos.